Hi everyone, I'm Alicia, and today I'm joined by Dr. Bilski from Bilski Dental Group. How are you doing today?
Good morning. It's cold out there today.
It is. It's very cold out there today. But we're good because we're in here and we're going to have a conversation today about missing tooth replacement solutions for less money.
Yes.
So that's a big one, I'm sure. So what can you tell me about that?
If we haven't mentioned it enough, I'm going to mention it one more time.
Yeah.
Patients, when they come in, they want to know if it's going to hurt.
Yep.
All right. I think everybody has that in the back of their mind.
Absolutely.
Secondary to that is the costs.
Yeah.
And not everyone has a budget for what we would call more sophisticated, if you will, or more long-term solution.
Yeah.
And then how long is it going to take? Is that the third one?
Absolutely.
If you're missing front teeth, you want quicker. If it's back teeth, you're a little bit more accepting to the fact it may take a few weeks,
Nobody notices that,
a month or two, right? Just wherever you can see, Doc, is what I'm concerned with. So in this next presentation that you'll see here, this particular person was missing their upper teeth, and it's just a full denture. Okay. So in a previous blog that we did, we had digital dentures. We can take a picture, a scan intraorally, and we can have these devices made. This is a lower removable partial denture, or some people would call it a partial, or they would call it a removable bridge. The key word is removable. So we can get some nice end results from somebody who does not have the ability to afford a lot in their budget at the time.
Okay.
So this may be a long-term solution for this person. And there are other things that we can do later. So the critical question here is, can I get a new set of front teeth, upper teeth, and I want something to chew with a removable bridge. Certainly that's what we're showing here. Very nice procedure, nice service. We do quite a bit of them in our practice. As the mature dentist in our practice, I'm the one that seems to get most of these.
Okay. So
come
if that's
on in,
something
we'll
that
take a
they're
look
looking
at.
for, they're going to be making an appointment with you.
There's no judgment. And of course, we do a lot of implants, a lot of cosmetic stuff. Yeah. And this is a nice procedure because it's cosmetic too. 50 years ago, this would be considered a full mouth rehabilitation.
Wow, okay.
I can't afford all the implants. I can't afford this. Just take my teeth out. But it has to look pretty.
Yeah.
I have to talk. I have to eat. So.